Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not doing a cash stuffing video, but I wanted to share with you guys my setup for 2025. So I'm going to show you guys my new folders that I am using, my cash stuffing envelopes. And I'm still continuing with my savings challenges, like the 100 envelope challenge, but I just wanted to show you my bin here. So this is basically where I'm keeping everything for cash stuffing, savings challenges, etc. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly my setup. So when it comes down to my savings challenges, this is something you guys seen before. Just continuing with the savings challenges I have in here. So I have the birthday challenge. Roll the dice is almost done. I just need a couple of them more. And the goal here is 105. So I will be continuing this in 2025. My Christmas challenge, which I didn't complete, but I will be completing it for 2025. Now, my dollar diamond challenge, I did complete. I'm redoing it again. Yeah, that will be part of 2025. My $5 diamond challenge, as well as my dollar ice cream challenge. These are the savings challenges I will be continuing. And then I also have my 100 envelope challenge. So I'm up to number 26. And I want to be a little more consistent with this one here. Maybe every couple of days in the week, try to fill it in. So this is everything here. I'm up to 25. I'm up to 26. So I'm going to continue on with this one. Now I want to show you guys my cash stuffing binders. I did change them up. I did do new cash stuffing envelopes. So for my 6 months of expenses, I narrowed it down. And these are the new categories. So like me starting over. So everything that I had in my envelopes, I did put into savings. So I will be starting everything over for 2025. So these are the new envelopes that I have for 2025. I have mortgage, emergency, savings, and then my debts are Home Depot, Klarna, and Chase. So those are going to be my 6 months of expenses as well as my debt. Okay, and then my other binder, which is right here, is going to be my business bills. So we have taxes, Shopify, and then for my sinking funds, these are actually new envelopes that I made. These are my Peekaboo pink marble envelopes. So I have back to school, I have kids, I have holidays, which I have money in. I believe I have 300 and something dollars. So I will be using that for this Christmas season and then restarting 2025. I have birthdays, and that is it for that. So I narrowed everything down to smaller categories. And then I also have my monthly savings challenge, which I'll be starting in January. So I'll be starting my scratch and save, and these lead all the way till December. So I'm super excited about completing this. I did start it midway this year because I created it midway this year. There's 5 in each month, and it has a built-in envelope. So I'll be doing that. And then also my spreadsheets are right here. This is old stuff written on it, but I don't do fixed expenses because my main goal is to save for 6 months of expenses. So I have this, I have my savings challenge, debt, sinking funds, and variable expenses, which is my wallet. So I'm going to show you guys my wallet in the next video. And I also have some pens here, some Sharpies, and this is basically my setup for 2025. So I'm super excited on my savings journey. What are you guys doing differently this year for 2025 as far as saving, as far as cash stuffing and zero-based budgeting? So leave a comment below. Let me know what your setup is going to be and how you're going to do it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.